the recognition, the love, the accolades that Atlee sir has been getting through Jawan and post Jawan is fantastic.
Bindu and Ega is my favorite.
If that's even a word, he's the bestest. No, I'm really happy and glad that the recognition, the love, the accolades that Atlee sir has been getting through Jawan and post Jawan is fantastic. What else do you need? I mean, I'm glad and I'm happy that I got to work with him. I'd love to work with him again if given a chance. What do you want me to tell about him? I mean, I can write an essay, but it'll take too long for this. It'll be too long here, and you guys will be really bored of me after about a minute. Very soon. Yes, we've already started shooting. We're halfway through, and it'll come out very soon. So talking about Shah Rukh, I think he's one of the bestest. If that's even a word, he's the bestest, and I don't. I mean, yes, he might have his fair share of haters as well, but I think the love that people have for him, I think that overshadows the people that don't like him. Ajay sir he's a class apart. I had such a great time working with him. His eyes speak volumes, and I had so much of. I just learned a lot from him during the time that we shot together. He doesn't have to say much, but I think his eyes just speaks enough. I recently saw Avesham, so I think that one, and I saw Brahma Yugam. Oh my goodness, yeah.
It was a quick decision actually because my friend is so extremely talented. Every piece of hers is absolutely stunning, so I can just pick one off the rack and it will be stunning. Yeah, I still, even now after all of these years, when people meet me, they still say that, Bindu and Ega is my favorite. So I'm hoping that I can do enough good work to beat that now. I'm still trying to. Yeah, it's great. It's great to be a part of a much larger universe. It's such a unique concept to try and to try and create a connected spy world. The premiere went off really well, so I'm hoping that we are a good follow-up to the world of Citadel. I always want to be a part of creating things. That's where my passion lies, in creation and being a part of meaningful projects. So for me, pickleball is my dream to get India moving. I think it's part of that bigger dream. Well, I am taking it a little slower on the work front. So I'm currently working on Rakta Brahman, and yeah, that he is, but that he is actually the sweetheart that all of you think he is. That's all true. I just on the flight watched Kate Blanchett in Tar, so I think a lot of people inspire me, not just one. I can't name one because a lot of people around me every day inspire me all the time. So I can't really pick one.